Hi, I'm Chanda from 𝗙𝗹𝗹 Labs, and in this video we'll learn how to enhance your video quality to 4K. So we'll first select the video you're trying to enhance, right click and select properties, and in properties go to details, and in this tab we'll see the frame width and the frame height. So from this step we will now enhance the video to 4K. So we'll go to Google and search for 𝗙𝗹𝗹 Labs, and we'll select the first one, that is 𝗙𝗹𝗹labs.com. So once that is done, we'll go to the top toolbar and select video upscale. So now you have access to the 𝗙𝗹𝗹 Labs site, and on this site you navigate down to create a free account. It will give you a prompt on how you are gonna give it access to your Google account. Then from here you have to navigate to the upload a video button. You click on it and you navigate to the folder where the video is that you are trying to test. You click on it and click open. So once you click open, it will give you a preview of how the video looks, and then you will scroll and select 4K and standard as a preset. You don't change anything on the relative sharpen or frame rate boost. Then you come down to upscale to 4K. Once you click upscale to 4K, you use 4 credits. So when your profile is opened, you have 20 credits at the beginning. So once you convert the video with 4 credits, the video will be converted, and then it will give you something like this. So the interface on the left will have the video that's been converted, and all you have to do is click the download button. So just like that, you have your video downloaded to your computer or your device. Smart, easy, and efficient. For more smart content like this, like, subscribe, and share.